Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy messy updo perfect for short to medium length hair. To start, I'm just going to roughly curl the hair, and I've just used my GHDs, and I'm just curling each section in the opposite direction to the others, and I do this over the entire head, but this doesn't have to be perfect. Next, I'm going to take some volume powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and I'm just going to apply this all over the crown area. Next, gather up that crown section of hair and tie it at the back of the head with a clear elastic band, creating a small ponytail. And I'm going to make a hole behind the elastic band, pass 2 fingers up through the hole, grab that ponytail and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then I'm going to apply some dry texture spray over the top of the head. Again, I'll pop it in the description below. And I'm going to loosen up that crown by pinching and pulling. And I'm just going to volumize each twist, again by pinching and pulling at the very edges. Next, divide the hair from the top of the ear forwards and clip it out of the way for later. And do this on both sides. With the remaining hair, tie this into a low ponytail with a clear elastic band. And again, I'm going to make a hole, pop a couple of fingers through, and I'm going to pass that ponytail through to my fingers and again pull it all the way through to create another twist. Apply some more of your texture spray over those new twists and pinch and pull them apart. Then I'm going to divide that little ponytail in half, and I'm just going to loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Then secure it with a clear elastic band. And then just taking hold of the end, I'm just going to roll it up until it meets the nape of the neck. Use your fingers to spread it out a little bit and then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Moving on to the front sections, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Then I'm going to just do a regular 3-strand braid, angling it to the back of the bun. Apply some texture spray and pinch and pull at the edges of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Secure it with an elastic band, and then all I'm going to do is tuck the ends behind the bun and secure in place with a bobby pin. And then to make sure that braid is secure, I'm going to slip a bobby pin through the centre. Then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side, so create your braid, pinch and pull it apart for volume, and then we're just going to tuck it behind the bun and secure it with another bobby pin. Don't forget to slip another bobby pin through the centre of the braid. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.